Several pregnant mothers have been infected with COVID-19. However, local health authorities say they have not detected instances of mother-to-child transmission of the disease. Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony, during a recent interview disclosed that despite plumbing issues at the facility, 20 maternity patients confirmed to have contracted the disease were being housed at the Infectious Diseases Hospital, Lilliandale, East Coast, Demerara.
They are mild patients. They have been tested positive for COVID, and basically we're using the facility to isolate them. So each person who is there would have a separate room and amenities to go with that room, meaning a bath and toilet and so forth. So they basically have their own room, and they would remain isolated until such time that we can discharge them.
The minister added that relocating the mothers who were once isolated at the Georgetown Public Hospital was ideal as it prevents the possibility of cross-infections at the institution. He noted that the ministry is working towards operationalizing other sections of the facility.
One of the things that we want to do there is to ensure that we have the ICU unit up and running, and therefore some of the funding that we have received from this current budget, we'll be doing that. We'll be using it to develop a new ICU at the Ocean View Hospital.
Shalana Providence, head of strategic planning and communications at the Georgetown Public Hospital, informed Nightly News that 11 mothers-to-be who were previously being isolated at the Lilliandale Hospital were moved. She noted that some have recovered, while some were returned to the isolation facility at the Georgetown Public Hospital, owing to prevailing water issues at the Infectious Diseases Hospital. She added that mothers who were suspected to have the disease and were awaiting their test results were also part of the batch that were transferred to the Infectious Diseases Hospital. Those who would have attained negative results were returned to the GPHC's maternity ward for continuous care, while confirmed cases are housed at the COVID-19 maternity unit. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.